Turmeric essential oil benefits and uses. Along with being a remarkable anti-inflammatory and analgesic powerhouse, turmeric essential oil is great for supporting the digestive system and can help reduce fluid retention. It may also help with detoxifying the body, boosting the immune system, and reducing allergic responses. Many people don't know that turmeric essential oil is so beneficial and powerful. You may know turmeric as the spice used in Indian cuisine. It gives curry and other dishes that rich color and intense flavor, but it also has some potential medicinal uses. It's well known for its anti-inflammatory properties, but researchers are starting to explore additional benefits to using it as an oil, tea, powder or in other forms. Researchers have determined that the spice may benefit people suffering from the following conditions: arthritis, metabolic syndrome, anxiety and hyperlipidemia. It may also cleanse the skin and lift your mood when diffused. Turmeric may also help ease soreness from exercise while speeding up recovery after an intense training session. Pick up a bottle of turmeric essential oil to maximize your use of this powerful natural resource. Ways to use turmeric oil effectively. Helps fight colon cancer. A 2013 study showed that the aromatic turmerone in turmeric essential oil as well as curcumin, the main active ingredient in turmeric, both displayed the ability to help fight colon cancer in animal models, which is promising for humans struggling with the disease. The combination of curcumin and turmerone given by mouth at both low and high doses actually abolished tumor formation. Scientists think that using turmerone in combination with curcumin may become a potent means of natural prevention of inflammation associated with colon cancer. Can relieve depression and anxiety. Turmeric essential oil is considered to be a strong relaxant and balancer, and studies have shown it can help fight against two extremely common mood disorders, depression and anxiety. As an effective essential oil for anxiety and depression, it may improve mood and positive feelings. Diffuse turmeric essential oil or an essential oil blend that contains at least a couple drops of turmeric. Just breathing in the oil can help ease the mental stress that we all experience at times. You can maximize the stress-fighting benefits by combining your aromatherapy with deep breathing, meditation, yoga or deep stretching. If your lifestyle is highly stressful, consider adding turmeric essential oil to a diffuser bracelet or necklace. That allows you to turn any moment of the day into an aromatherapy session. Turmeric oil for herpes. The herpes simplex virus (HSV) can trigger both oral and genital herpes, resulting in blister formation, fever, and bodily aches and pains. There is no known cure for the HSV virus, but turmeric essential oil can help to reduce the severity and duration of the infection. Curcumin soothes inflammation, speeds blister healing, and supports immunity, which keeps the infection at bay. In the case of genital herpes, combine 3 to 4 drops of turmeric essential oil with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and apply liberally to the blisters and sores daily. In the case of blisters caused by oral herpes, use an earbud to apply to oral blisters. Soothe sore muscles. You can add turmeric essential oil to coconut oil and massage it directly onto sore, tired muscles. It will help with soreness and pain while combating the inflammation that often comes after an intense training session. This isn't just for athletes or those running marathons and competing in Spartan races. You can use coconut and turmeric oil lotion after water aerobics, walking or Zumba. If it's enough to leave your muscles sore, you can reward yourself with a turmeric rub down. Turmeric oil for immunity. When flu season is just around the corner or someone at home is under the weather, as a preventative measure, diffuse a few drops of turmeric essential oil in your diffuser and let the healing vapors waft through the air. Ease the pain of arthritis. Coconut and turmeric oil lotion are a great remedy for joint pain. The natural inflammation-fighting properties of turmeric essential oil eases the inflammation that causes stiffness and pain. This is a natural arthritis treatment that you can use with medication, by applying it a couple times each day. Coconut and turmeric oils also have benefits for your skin. The more you ease the inflammation of arthritis, the softer your skin is likely to become. Fight acne. With its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, turmeric oil can be helpful as a natural acne treatment. Tamanu essential oil is derived from fruit kernels produced by the tamanu nut tree. It fights inflammation, slows signs of aging, accelerates healing and fights fungal infections. When blended with turmeric essential oil, you can give all of those benefits a boost. Tamanu essential oil can serve as a carrier oil, but you may also add a bit of coconut oil as it also delivers some amazing benefits for your skin. This natural acne treatment is safe to use every day. Tamanu essential oil may also help with scarring and sores from irritated acne. Turmeric oil for heart health. Curcumin improves the lining of blood vessels or the endothelium. Its powerful antioxidants prevent free radicals from destroying blood vessels and restrict plaque from adhering to blood vessel walls. Damaged and plaque-lined blood vessels impede blood flow, causing the two biggest killers, heart attack and stroke. Along with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, curcumin helps to lower blood pressure, promote the growth of fresh red blood cells and protect against fatigue, anemia, high blood pressure, heart disease and stroke. Add turmeric essential oil to your skincare products. Many people use turmeric oil for skin lightening, which is a great idea because using turmeric topically has been shown to decrease the appearance of facial hyperpigmentation as well as fine lines and wrinkles. Whether you're fighting acne, pigmentation issues or wrinkles, it helps to combat inflammation in the skin. Add a drop or two of turmeric essential oil to your face cream or other skincare products that are used regularly. If you don't want to add it directly to the bottle, add it to the cream before applying to your face each day. Turmeric oil for digestion. Turmeric has been used traditionally to help with digestion issues and is known to reduce bloating and cramping, encourage the elimination of gas from the system and support the digestive system. Zingiberine and 6-gingerol are the key components of turmeric essential oil, known to have a strong impact on the digestive and gastrointestinal system. Turmeric oil stimulates the production of gastric juices and helps to alleviate the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, ulcers and other digestive ailments. Ease the sting of sunburn by making a homemade topical treatment. A 2011 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology documented that turmeric essential oil used in skin creams can protect against the harmful effects of the sun. The study concluded that the photoprotective properties of the extract resulted in improvement in skin properties like skin hydration and sebum content. The study used a specially prepared topical treatment that isolated select components of the turmeric, but you may still get similar results when using turmeric essential oil mixed with a soothing carrier oil like jojoba essential oil. Mix 1 to 2 drops of turmeric oil with jojoba oil and apply to affected areas. Heal cracked heels and rough feet. Soak feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes and pat dry with a towel. Mix a few drops of turmeric oil with a carrier oil such as castor oil, an excellent detoxifier. Massage your feet with the oil, taking care to get between the toes and rub it into your heels or other foot surfaces that are rough. Do this regularly to keep your feet soft. Beat dandruff and keep your hair healthy. Argan oil contains elements that nourish and hydrate your skin and hair, so it's sometimes used in high-quality shampoos and conditioners. Mix argan essential oil with turmeric essential oil and then apply directly to your hair and scalp. With regular use, you will have shinier hair that looks healthy and young. It is believed that turmeric oil can boost the growth of new hair, so you may also want to try this if your hair is thinning out as you get older. Keep your mind alive. Inhaling turmeric essential oil is highly effective for boosting memory, cognitive function, and improving concentration. It has been shown that turmeric has properties that protect the brain from degeneration. It may help prevent or treat dementia, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. If consumed regularly, it may also offer some protection against strokes. Consume turmeric to detoxify the liver. The liver is a vital organ responsible for detoxifying the body, so keeping it healthy is critical in making sure the body is free from toxins. Turmeric has been used holistically to maintain liver health, and studies show that turmeric is hepatoprotective, meaning it protects the liver, mainly due to it being a powerful anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is well known in the holistic health world for its ability to help improve liver health. Consume it daily for a few days or week, or just use it regularly. Add turmeric essential oil to herbal teas. This is an option if you want the general benefits of turmeric to nourish your body. You will smell the oil while sipping your tea, which gives you the mental boost of aromatherapy. Just a drop in your cup is adequate to deliver the aroma and health benefits of the oil.